Have you ever wondered how an app knows what to do when you tap a button? The answer is code. Code is the set of instructions that tells a computer exactly how to behave. Think of code like a recipe. It lists every step in order, leaves nothing to guessing, and can be followed again and again to get the same result every single time. Code is not just inside computers and phones. It runs in ATMs, cars, microwaves, and even traffic lights. Any device that can be programmed has code working inside it right now. Human language is flexible. We understand each other even with typos or slang. Code has no such tolerance. Every word and symbol must be exactly right, or the computer simply stops and reports an error. First, a developer writes code as plain text. A tool then translates it into a language the CPU understands. The CPU reads those instructions at lightning speed, and the result is what you see and hear on screen. Code is simply human-written instructions that a computer can translate and act on. It is everywhere, it must be exact, and it is the foundation of every piece of software you have ever used. Next up, we look at how code becomes a full running program.